Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to tell you the cost of living in Bali, Indonesia, and also I want to give you rapidly room tour in Bali, Indonesia. I have been in Bali for almost 2 months, so I have rich experience, and I want to share with you how much does it cost for 1 month. So I'm going to distribute this in different ways: food, housing, and as expenses. So as you know, like I've been in another apartment, I've moved to another apartment, so I'm gonna share with you and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna show first the room, how it is and how much does it costing, and I want to describe everything. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, and I appreciate it for each and everyone always come to watch my video. Please, I beg you, support me for subscribing and watch my video, like and comment down. Hello guys, so we are gonna start our room tour here in Bali, Indonesia. It's actually a 4-star hotel. It has different rooms. So as you can see, I like how the color and the decoration on this room is really beautiful, and this room is really big, and they provide with you with everything, and that is book menu, whereby if you want to order menu everything, you can just call them directly and they can bring for you food in your hotel. And they have a good service, which I really like, and they provide you with many things that you can get for free, and then they give you order every day. So, and they have service of SPA, which is pretty good, and this room has contained many services where you can get. So as you can see, that is my fridge. I just buy some food, yeah, some drinks, and yeah. So guys, as we move on, CC is interested, that is air condition. Then this is bathroom. I like how it is. It's good. I like the bathrooms that have separation with toilets, because yeah. So this way we have, when you rent this room, you can have access to gym, whereby gym is just located near to your room. So yeah, this is a gym whereby it's open every morning up to 10 p.m. evening, so you can access. And here is a place for children. So this hotel has this big room and a studio room where you can have your own time for children. So they have a place for children, and there's a swimming pool. All this you can access by cheap price in Bali, Indonesia. So I like this place. It's really cool and have all services. There's no need for you to go out to look for any services. All service you can get here just by calling your phone, then they can get you through, or can just walk around. So guys, that is how it is room tour in Bali. So guys, as you saw, that is the room tour, and this is the way I'm living. It's actually a 4-star hotel, which I got it in a cheaper price because of coronavirus. That is how they said. I got it for $250. It depends, because they have different rooms. They have superior, they have standard, they have studio, they have family room. So it depends which kind of room you want. So the big the room, it will be more expensive. So it depends with you. So I just get a standard room. Yeah, this is a standard room, but it fits me, it's good. So you can get everything here done. So everything. So the cost of living normally, as I was in my previous apartment, I was paying like $208 per 1 month, whereby I stay for 1 month and a half. I pay for almost $300 to $8 for almost 1 month and a half there. It was a sharing apartment, whereby guys, we used to share. Okay, you can have your room, sitting room alone, but you can share the kitchen. So that is how it is. So mostly apartment here in Bali start from 200 onward, whereby you can have your own room and a private toilet, but you can share kitchen and other stuffs. But if you need from $300, you can get some which have kitchen together, so you can have your private kitchen on them. If you wanna rent villa, it's gonna be more expensive, whereby most villas you can find it, you can have your own swimming pool where you not share with others, so the cost is gonna be much higher, but not that much. It can range up to 500 USD per month. And the expense of living in Bali, Indonesia, it depends with how much you used to spend, but mostly if you are cooking, it's gonna be more cheaper. You can only use it 200 per month or less than that per only month cost of living, the food expense. But also you can use more. It depends with the place where you are living. If you are not cooking, it can be much expensive than that. But also in the Bali, you can use 150 per 1 month to live if you are cooking. The things here is much affordable. Yeah, it's easy to access, so it's quite different from other countries that have been. So at least it's much cheaper. And kind of transport, you can rent your own bike if you're good in driving, so you can rent your own bike, whereby it's $50 per 1 month. Yeah, it's $50 per 1 month. Then you can buy gas. Then yeah, that is how most people are living. So if you don't know how to drive, then you have always to book for online, to book for car, or to book for bike. Then it's not that much expensive. It depends with the place where you are living, but mostly that can cost you 50,000 Indonesian money, so it depends. But mostly the cost of living, if you have 300 USD, everything included, then you can sustain to live in Indonesia for 1 month. So at the end of the video, I'm going to put description whereby the cost of a house, the expense of the food, transport, and the other expenses, so you can look how much does it cost. I'm gonna break them down. So that it is about Bali, Indonesia. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, and hopefully this video gonna help you. Please make sure subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up.